Greetings, guys. It's good to have you here again. Special greetings to you, wherever you are, wherever you're watching this video from. I hope the year is going on well. Yeah. Okay, so my name is Olutopoyemi, and I'm still here to give you good news. Yes, I'm giving you good news. Okay, so this video is for everyone who wants to relocate to Canada. And a lot of people in UK, they test what everybody's after in UK is getting a COS. Now in Canada, it's called LMIA. That is getting an employer that will sponsor you, just like you have a visa sponsorship in UK. Then this is LMIA in Canada. So I'm just going to share in this video how to search for a job that has LMIA, that is the employer can can assist or can employ foreign workers. They're registered, they are registered to organize, they have the capacity to embrace foreign workers. And that is what I'm sharing in this video. So please guys, for those that have come here for the very first time, I want to thank you guys for coming here. I really appreciate you, and thank you for being part of this movement. And please don't forget to click the subscription button. It doesn't bite. Yeah, try it. It doesn't bite. Try and subscribe. Click it. Yeah, thank you. And don't forget to click the notification bell. For those that have done that already, my subscribers, I appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. Okay, so in this video, stay tuned and let's see how you can do it. Within a few minutes, you can apply for your job. There are several jobs in this space. Just watch this video till the end, and you're gonna thank me later. And just click on that bank. Sorry. Yeah, you can see this. Then you go to temporary foreign workers. Now here you will see jobs that have LMIA. LMIA is labor market impact assessment, as you can see on my screen. And here you can see it says find a new job in Canada from Canadian employers who wants to recruit temporary foreign workers. So these employers have already obtained or applied for a labor market impact assessment. So you can see we have 11,000 plus jobs here. So let's just watch this. Okay, so now let's see. So we have jobs from ranging from agriculture, supervisor, hog farm worker, graphic designer, web designer, cleaning supervisor, transport truck driver. You can see this, butcher. You can see food counter attendant, roofer, administrator, plant propagator, auto body technician. A lot of, you can see food service supervisor. And same. Okay, so for example, let's look at this food service supervisor. It says here, you can see the location, you will see the location, you will see the amount, you can see the role, you can see this is a permanent employment, it's a full-time employment. Then evening, weekend shift and all of that, start as soon as possible. So you can see you apply for this kind of job, you start in as soon as possible. But here they have 2 vacancies. Now let's go back and check again. Do we have other? Okay, so let's look at other jobs that could be here. Show my result. Kitchen helper, you can see here, food service. Okay, dental assistant, babysitter, cashier in supermarket. Okay, now let's look at them. Okay, let's look at live-in caregiver. Now this is live-in caregiver, and this is in Scarborough, that is in Ontario. It's a full-time work too, and it's just one person that is needed for this job. You can see that. So if you notice, you see it's always written there that the employer has LMIA. So I want to check a few other more. Okay, now let's say look at carpenter. Now this is a carpenter, a finished carpenter. Look at it. They need four people, 4 vacancies here for the position of a finished carpenter. You can see, so every job is here. This is Ontario, it's a full-time job, and it's $32.5 per hour. you're starting as soon as possible. Now if you look at this, it says this employer has applied for a labor market impact assessment to hire foreign workers to fill labor or skill shortage on a temporary basis. You can see this, so you can always apply for all of this job. So show how to apply. You can apply for this job. You can see, you just send your email to these people, and trust me, and when you're sending your email, just make sure you of course you send your CV. Make sure you sell yourself. Now sell yourself for the job you are applying for. Please don't send the regular CV you have been sending. You are applying for a caregiver somewhere. Now you want to apply for a finished carpenter, and you still use the caregiver job. You know, it doesn't work together. Create your CV, let it be channeled towards the job you are applying for. That's all, and you'll be fine. So irrespective of the kind of job, irrespective of the city or whatever you want, as a matter of fact, you can search for cities. If you have a city in mind, let me show you here. If you have a city in mind, you can just click for the city. Looking here, you will see on the left hand side here, it's going to give you a picture of cities and different, you can see, provinces and territories. We have Alberta, we have British Columbia, and Manitoba, and several other ones. If you have somewhere in mind that you think you like, okay, let's say for example you like Nova Scotia. It's one of the 4 Atlantic immigration program. Nova Scotia, Labrador, Newfoundland, and New Brunswick. So you can check all of these things. You can see restaurant manager, you can see a cook, you can see let's check for more. A cook, you can see 2 puppies pizza. You can see a lot of cook jobs are here. So let's look at this home support worker, for example. You can see this is a 20 to 40 hours per week. Okay, 40 hours per week, and it's just one person, and it's in Nova Scotia because that was what we searched for. Let's look for somewhere else. Let's look for Halifax in Nova Scotia. You can see this is 3 vacancies. So you can always apply for jobs here, guys. Don't stress it. Just come here, apply for your job, but please make sure you have information. Don't just waste employment. Don't waste vacancies. These are people that are ready to they have their capacity, they have what it takes to employ people from overseas, to employ foreign workers. So don't sleep on these guys. I think with these few points of mine, I've been able to confuse. Sorry, I didn't confuse you. I will never confuse you. I've been able to convince you that here's the right way to apply for jobs with sponsorship in Canada. And thank you guys for watching this. If you know this has helped you, this is a good information for you, please don't forget to share with people around you. Share it. These positions, you cannot exhaust everything. From what we've seen here, you can see we have over 11,000 plus jobs, and each of these jobs, some are 3, some might be 4, so you can't exhaust them. So please share to people as much as you know around you. I believe you have seen that right. It's direct and straightforward. Don't sleep on it. I don't tell you this here. No grief for anybody. So this is the time. You don't have to agree. Come on, shoot your shot. Don't stop that application. Start now and make sure you're making progress on it. See you again next time when I'll be back. Who will teach me? I don't know how to do it. I love you all.